it's Mania, and I'm going to unbox a toy. And I actually bought it from Amazon. You can go check it. It's really fun. It is really scented. That's what it says. And I'm gonna unbox it now. Oh, checklist. Again, I'll just check it first. It's so cute. Smells like jam. Let's see what I got. Collection. Oh, okay. It's a Wakefield monkey. What is this thing? Oh, it's cute. Let's see what it's. Oh, it's rare. It says it's rare. Oh, mine smells like strawberry. Oh yeah. And that's all for the video. I actually got this one a few years ago. It smells. I actually lost something from it, and it smells really good though. It smells like chocolate. That's all I have for this video today. And this is what I got from. It's a monkey and scents like strawberries. I actually there's a collection. It's the scents are here. Basically, I was wondering. And the scent is strawberry. I thought about the scent. And this is the thing I got. And I got the case for it. And I like it. That's all for the video. And I also actually, this is a slot actually. I don't know why I just decided to put this in. It's really good too. It smells like it's a sloth actually. A donut sloth. And this is just a case. There's nothing really special about it, but I think it will be really useful to keep these things safe. So these two are friends forever. They're buddies. And that's all. See you in my next video. Bye!